Okay, listen up. Stop trying to get your kid into the same three schools as everybody else. You are playing a losing game. If you're moving to Dubai or changing schools for September 2026, you've probably already hit the waitlist wall. The big names are already full, and the deposits are gone, and the admissions teams are already ghosting you. But here is what the brochures don't tell you. Dubai schools run on cycles, and right now there are 7 specific schools that are in a growth cycle. These aren't just backup options, these are schools with new buildings, new secondary expansions, or brand new launches that need to fill seats immediately. I'm going to show you exactly which ones they are and why they are your best bet for an acceptance letter this week. So let's get into it. First up on our list is Dubai British School Mira. We call this the new branch hack. You likely know DBS Emirates Hills or Jumeirah Park. Impossible to get into, right? Well, this one is their newest sister campus. It opened its doors recently, late 2025, which means it is currently building its cohorts for its second full academic year. Because it is located in the Mira Ream community, slightly further out from the marina bubble, the demand is localized. You get the premium Taaleem education and the DBS brand, but you skip the 500-person waitlist. It is best for primary-age kids FS1 to year 6. The second school on the list is Harrow International School, Dubai. This is a pre-launch window. Harrow is a 450-year-old British icon opening here in Dubai in September 2026. Usually, you can't touch a school like this because of its high demand. But because they are starting from absolute zero, they have to fill every single seat for their launch. Important note, they are initially opening for early years to year 6, and then they will expand later to secondary. This is a rare anomaly where a super duper premium school is actually going to be the easiest to accept primary school children, simply because they have empty desks to fill. So this school, it's best for founding families, early years and primary. Number 3 on our list is GEM's Winchester School. I call this one Volume Play. It's located near IMG Worlds, and this school is massive. While boutique schools have, say, 20 seats per grade, Winchester operates on a humongous scale. This means higher turnover and constant flow of availability. If you need a solid, affordable British curriculum seat immediately while you figure out your long-term Dubai plan, then I think Winchester is statistically your safest bet. This is best for immediate entry and value fees. Number 4 on our list is Victory Heights Primary School, City of Arabia. The original Victory Heights in Sports City is perpetually full. It is a community favorite. The City of Arabia campus was built specifically to handle that overflow. It has the same leadership DNA, but significantly more space. So don't waste months fighting for a spot at the original branch. Apply to this one and get the same education culture without the stress. It is actively filling up its primary years. It is best for primary overflow, FS1 to year 6. Our number 5 is a massive new announcement, Dubai International Academy Town Square. If you prefer IB curriculum over the British system, this one is your winner. It's opening in September 2026. This is the newest addition to the prestigious Innovators Group. The original DIA in Emirates Hills is one of the oldest and most difficult IB schools to enter. This new Town Square campus offers that same IB pedigree, but with a wide open availability for its founding year. If you live in Town Square, Mudon, or Damak Hills too, this is the smartest application you can make right now. This is best for IB curriculum. Number 6 is a specific strategy for older kids, GEM's Royal Dubai School. Now this used to be just a primary school, but they recently expanded it into secondary, launching their year 7 and 8, and they are adding year 9 for September 2026. Whenever a school adds a secondary section, the new older grades are the easiest entry point. They haven't built up the full stream of students coming out from primary yet, so they rely on external applicants. If you have a child entering year 7, 8, or 9, this is their prime target. And finally, number 7, Dubai Heights Academy in Al Barsha South. This school sits in a very competitive neighborhood, surrounded by other giant schools. They have incredible sports facility and a large capacity that allows them to be very flexible with their admissions. While they are established, they are expanding their sixth form, year 12 and year 13, and often have pockets of space in other years that are typically oversubscribed in the neighboring schools nearby. So this one is best for flexibility from FS1 to 6th form. Here is your checklist for this week. Number 1, the new openings. Apply to Harrow or DIA Town Square. Number 2, recent openings. Look at DBS Mira or Victory Heights City of Arabia. Number 3, the expanders. Check GEMS Royal, year 7 to 9. Here's my tip for you. Do not wait until June. The easy schools become the full schools very quickly in Dubai. Secure your seat now so that you can actually enjoy your summer. If this saved you a panic attack, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, are you Team British Curriculum or Team IB? I'll see you in the next one. Bye!